So I'm always curious about different air fryers, and this is one of the best selling here recently by Ninja, the AF101 air fryer. It's definitely one of the more affordable ones. Normal price is $129. I think I only paid $80 for mine, so I'll leave a link down below with current pricing and more information, because chances are it's gonna be on sale by the time you see this video. This one has a 4-quart capacity non-stick basket. It's not huge, but it's still pretty deep and probably big enough for 2 people. The inside crisper comes out pretty easily. It's got little rubber feet that keep it in place, and it's pretty easy to wash these off after using, or you can put both in the dishwasher as well, which you will want to clean this before the first use. I also ran mine a couple times with nothing inside at about 5 minutes or so, just to cook off anything that might be left from the factory. You can see down at the bottom there's a metal plate that's covering the heating element. It also has a vent there on the back, so you'll want to keep this away from the wall a little bit. It also has a vent looking thing there on the top, but not as much comes from that. It goes up to 400 degrees, and I think it cooks up to 1 hour. They also give you a book with cooking times, but there's also a sticker there on the side that's got most common cooking times. Pretty simple to use. After you put in your food and hit the power button, choose your temperature, then the time, and you have the option of air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Then just hit the start pause button. When it's running, it's not super loud or anything, but it's loud enough to notice, probably similar to a microwave. I tried cooking a few different things like broccoli, tater tots, and french fries just to see how it would do, and no problems that I could see. Of course, just like any appliance, it takes a little time to get used to and to know what settings to use, but everything turned out nice and crispy and tasted pretty good. They might say family size for this air fryer, but to me, this is for 2 people at the most. Although the basket is pretty deep, so you could stack food up quite a bit. Just make sure to shake it every so often so it cooks more evenly. Overall, I feel like this is a pretty good air fryer for the price. It seems easy enough to clean up and is very simple to use. It doesn't have all the presets like some of the others I've used, but it works pretty good and doesn't take up a lot of space. As usual, I feel like products from Ninja have pretty good quality, at least for the ones that I've tested so far. So yeah, I can see why this is one of the best selling air fryers here recently.